Hey guys, Muhammad this side back with another video from F16 Media. So in this video, we're gonna talk about AIR DUCT cleaning business secrets that you are not aware of and nobody is willing to tell you just because they are making crazy amount of money and industry gurus know it, but you don't know as an AIR DUCT cleaning business owner. And you need to know in this 2023 before you mess up a lot of things. All right, so just to make it sure that if you're new here, so make sure you follow us, okay, on Instagram and Facebook. Go in the description, subscribe to our channel. And if you are looking for minimum 70 to 100 pre-qualified leads in next 30 days for your AIR cleaning business, you can go in the description. You can schedule a call with us, as there is written, book a free one-on-one call with us, and we will hop on a call with you and we can show you that how we can get you 70 to 100 pre-qualified leads in next 30 days, guaranteed. So let's get into it. So first of all, this is our website, www.f16media.agency. You can visit our website, you can learn more about us, you can check out how we work. So whatever business you have, you can check here. Or if you want to speak with us, as I said, you can schedule a free call with us by going in the description and clicking on book a one-on-one free call with us. All right, so let's get into the AIR DUCT cleaning business secrets. The number one thing is taking branding for granted. That means that you are not taking social media presence as important as it should be. Because see, social media is now the number one platform to get you maximum number of leads and appointments after Google, or after search engine, or after AngelList, and after Yelp. All right, so you have to make sure that you have got a crazy and consistent social media presence. Because why social media presence is important? Let me tell you. The number one reason is that if you don't post, if no one knows you on social media, people don't trust you. All right, people don't think that you are a legit business. Like for example, if you go to our social media, you will be seeing that we are posting on a consistent basis. Regardless if it's not daily, at least we are showing up minimum 4 times a week. And that is what is required by other people. Okay, I mean, if you are not doing branding, you should do branding for at least 3 to 4 days a day. Okay, 3 to 4 days a week, I'm sorry, to make sure that you are competing with your competitors in the best possible way. All right. After that, poor customer service. All right, so here I have actually interviewed multiple CEOs and business owners of AIR cleaning businesses, and they've got pathetic customer service. Make sure that, for example, if you are making $1,000 from a single lead and your customer service is, you are not gonna get that customer again. Because maybe if you had a good customer service, that particular lead would be calling you again and again and sharing your contact details in a group or in her network where they've got a crazy number of people, and you can get thousands of dollars a job in next 10 days. Maybe if you had a good customer service. So if you are selling for a higher price, make sure that your customer service quality is not getting down. It's consistent or going up. Third is not delivering what promising. All right, so here I'm not talking about the pricing you have advertised your service for. I'm talking about, like, for example, if you have said in your ad that you are gonna do deep cleaning, and when you are at their home, so you say, oh, I cannot do deep cleaning for $200. Man, come on. Or that you deliver what you promise, or you are just gonna lose everything, your money, your business name, and of course your advertising costs you are putting into ads. Number 4 is always relying on technicians. I think 60% of the air duct cleaning companies are just relying on the third-party contractors, or you can say a third-party technicians. I mean, they have not hired the technicians. They are just sending jobs to the technicians. And literally, this doesn't work anymore. And now people are hiring. Okay, the reason is actually that technician is also doing his own business. All right. And for example, you have a job for $2,000 in a weird zip code, and your technician says, I'm not available right now. I have another job to do. What are you gonna do? For example, if you're just paying him 40% and you are taking 16%, 60%, and you are gonna lose $1,600. All right. This is actually the problem here. If you are not hiring people, make sure you are contracting with such technicians who can be there in your hard time. That means that where you wanna go and do the job and make money, so he will say, okay, I'll manage something, instead of canceling that particular appointment. Because not just you're gonna lose money, you're gonna lose your credibility, you're gonna lose the people trust, you're gonna lose a customer, of course. And again, maybe he would be sharing your contact details with his colleagues, with his family, if you did a great job and clean his air ducts and dry vents in a proper way. All right. So the fifth point is, I know that you are excited because in the end, it's my favorite. The fifth point is not generating your own leads. When I'm saying not generating your own leads, that is actually pretty serious. And the biggest reason is that if you are just buying the jobs, you are left with nothing, literally nothing. Okay? Because let's say you got a job for $2,000. Okay? By getting a job from any telemarketing company, all right? And you are splitting profits. You are paying, for example, divide by 2, 50% to the technician. You are left with $1,000, all right? And then you go and split it by 2. Come on. Literally, you are getting $2,000 job and just getting freaking $500. Are you serious? What are you doing here? You can get $2,000 job by putting in $100 into ads. It's that simple. Here you just need to be crazy in appointments, and that's what we are doing for our clients. Literally, like, they can even sell a job for $3,000 for a huge mansion if they want. It's up to them, because we get them crazy leads and they don't need to share any profits with us. See it at a longer perspective, that you are just burning up your money here. Or you can say that you are just losing the opportunity you have here to make crazy money. So start taking risk. Don't hire anyone in start. If you want, we can help you. All right. Start running your own ads. Start ads. Put $50 a day and start ads and start running ads and get leads. If you are not running ads for your air duct cleaning company in 2023, you are broke. No one knows you. No one actually needs you, because why would people come to you if you don't have a good ads? If you're not pitching yourself, right? So this was our video. I hope you liked it. You can just take a screenshot. Okay, that are the best marketing secrets. I'm also gonna drop into the description. Okay, what you need to do. And again, this is our website. So that's all for today. If you like our video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and follow us on our social media platforms. And if you are not part of our community, go in the description and join a free air duct cleaning and carpet cleaning group. And again, if you are looking for 70 to 100 pre-qualified leads in the next 30 days for your AIR DUCT cleaning business, you can go in the description and schedule a free call with us. So until next time, take care, have a good one. Bye.